Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to make electricity hat. Normal hats are fine if you want to look like a dumb nerd, I guess, but if you want to look cool and stylish and long and thick, you need an electricity hat. Unfortunately, electricity hats cannot be purchased in stores. They must be made, handmade, by you or a loved one. That's the only way. Sorry folks, sorry, you're going to have to put some effort into this one. You can't just sail through the ocean of life without hitting some shark-filled choppy waters every so often. That's just how it is. Get used to it. Deal with it. Kiss my grips. To make an electricity hat, take a normal hat and add wires to it. The wires can have bulbs or tubes or switches. It doesn't matter. Just make sure that you can plug it into a battery or wall outlet or cigarette lighter or MP3 player. Once you've tucked the wires into and around your hat, flip the switch and get ready to be popular and exhausted from all of the new kissing that you're going to be doing. If electricity hats do anything, they attract beautiful ladies who love to kiss, so be prepared.